not something you see every day in the courtroom. A donkey being herded in to stand before a jury. Sounds crazy, but that's exactly what happened today in Dallas. Fox 4's Emily Lopez explains why.
We're here with Buddy as a key witness.
The North Dallas Government Center is the last place you'd expect to find a donkey, but on this day, Buddy is headed right into Judge Stephen Sider's courtroom so that the jury could judge his demeanor in a civil suit.
He's almost like a herding dog. He will herd the cattle away from coyotes as they start yelping and stuff, and so he's a gem.
Buddy may be great at herding cattle, but according to John Cantrell, who lives in this posh North Dallas community on Lyndhurst Avenue, he makes a lousy neighbor.
Turning a neighborhood into a zoo. If I wanted a zoo, I can go out to the Dallas Zoo. And animals have odor and noisy.
Here's how a squabble between neighbors ended with poor Buddy being peered at by 6 confused jurors in court. Gregory Shamoon was adding to his home. His neighbor John Cantrell did not appreciate just how close the extension to Shamoon's house came to his own property.
We had called the city of Dallas and complained that he was building this huge structure in his backyard without a permit.
During the feud, Shamoon claims Cantrell attacked him and filed a claim against him. Cantrell filed a counterclaim and sued Shamoon, saying that the donkey was a nuisance.
Mr. Shamoon was having a birthday party for his boy and a bunch of his friends, and he thought that they'd give him donkey rides at the house.
But Cantrell says Buddy was there about a month.
And we believe that Mr. Shamoon, who's a flamboyant character, hired Buddy to come into his yard, and he lives in a $1 million house with a swimming pool, hired Buddy to come into his yard as a retaliatory kind of action.
The neighbor has an issue with Buddy being a nuisance when he's at our residence.
In the end, both sides settled out of court. Shamoon purchased part of Cantrell's property.
Yes, sir.
The donkey headed out to a ranch, but not before both parties involved, well, made themselves look like Buddy. Emily Lopez, Fox 4 News.
Police